The insurance crisis will be a major focus as state lawmakers head back to Baton Rouge for their regular legislative session on Monday. Many property insurance premiums have more than doubled in recent years. Paul Murphy reports Louisiana's new insurance commissioner is pushing a package of reforms as a way of attracting more companies to write policies in the state.
The growing number of insurance companies choosing not to write policies in Louisiana have left homeowners grappling with sky-high insurance premiums. In a letter published in the Times-Picayune New Orleans Advocate, Insurance Commissioner Tim Temple laid out a legislative agenda calling for less insurance regulations, something the former insurance executive says will help create a more stable and predictable market that encourages insurers to do business in the state. Temple is asking lawmakers to get rid of the 3-year rule, which prevents insurance companies from dropping customers who've held policies with them for 3 years. Senate Insurance Committee Chairman Kirk Talbot from River Ridge supports the bill.
We need availability. We need competition. There are companies that simply will not write here because of that 3-year rule.
Representative Kyle Green sits on the House Insurance Committee. He's open to the idea, but has some concerns.
It's more of a consumer protection issue that provides consumers the protection that after a disaster that your insurance company is not just going to leave you high and dry.
Temple also wants to strengthen the Louisiana Fortified Roof Program by securing a long-term funding source from the industry. It grants up to $10,000 for homeowners to repair or replace their roofs to a higher standard.
There's a state rep I know who lives uptown. She just put, I guess it would be the equivalent of the gold level fortified roof on her house, 50% reduction right off the bat for that.
Despite the popularity of the program, Governor Jeff Landry's state budget proposal puts less money into the program than this year.
It was concerning that the governor put out a package, his proposal, that kind of slashed that funding significantly. I hope that the Appropriations Committee can find ways to restore that funding.
Temple says he's also working to make the claims process simpler and more transparent so insurers can pay claims more quickly while reducing the number of lawsuits filed against insurers operating in good faith. Paul Murphy, WWL, Louisiana.
The regular session gets underway at noon on Monday.